Hello everyone. We may had situations like we need to take a nap or need to set other reminder alarm in a public place, but the alarm on our phone will disturb all people around us. Don't worry, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to look how to set alarm which rings on you earphones you are wearing. Let's see how we can set it. We are going to do that in an application called Earphone Alarm which will work on Android devices. You just need to install the app. Direct download link is provided in the video description below. After installing the app, open it. Agree the terms and conditions. You can set countdown time on main interface. On the other page, you can set the alarm. You can change the settings according to your preferences in the settings menu. Hope this video helped you. If you like it, just hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful contents. Bye.